I'm Al and welcome to 6D Diesel. So we are working on this evening. It is Thursday, I think, at about 7:30. So I've just bought this 312 with a ridiculously long body on it, 2.95 cylinder, one of the best engines they ever made, and top quality little Hiab crane. But sadly, it's out of test, and it's got some, I wouldn't say, a little bit rusty, not seriously rusty. So quietly, as we got loads of work on, and one of my lovely fitters has injured himself, he's in hospital, which is making things a bit of a nightmare. Not that that's his fault. So I thought, we're going down the transit, and I could do with this on the road and use it quickly. I'd pull a couple of sort of late ones, and I'd do some wheel arch replacing. I've got to do the wheel arches, the seals and the doors, really, to make it a nice truck. We have a finished 310D cab. All the footwells are welded in. You may think it's a particularly interesting colour, but as this is L's sort of yard project, what we decided to do is we've got lots and lots of tins of paint that are half used, random colours, all 2K. So we mixed them all up in one big 5-litre tub. This is what came out. So this is some cost-effective bluey green. So I've just cut this thing in half. Now the cut you'll have seen me make is not my final cut. I've just axed it off about 4 inches behind where I want it, so that I can trim it up lovely and square and fix the back of the cab. Now I have dropped that back axle out because we'll keep that out of the way with its hideous great leaf springs, which might go back on, I haven't decided yet. And I'm going to put this bit, which is rubbish, out there somewhere out the way, but find something to do with it and probably throw it in there. Well, it is going to go scrap because it's absolute crap. So what I'm going to do next, which might be in a couple of days' time, but will be 2 seconds for you, is go and get the new one, or the new to it one, that's not rusty and out the back, cut off another truck. Plan. after many hours, 15 different changes, lots of bolts, lots of wiring, lots of welding, 2 Mercedes Sprinters. It is finally done.